Hey guys, very good morning from Pelling. The time is around 10 minutes past 6 and we were up at around, what would I say, 5 in the morning to get a glimpse of the Kanchenjunga and get some nice pics. And yes, it was all worth it. Let me show you how it looks from here. Give me just a minute. This is pretty close. Yeah, this is how it looks from here. Awesome. Catch you up where we move towards Yuksom, or I'm not sure. Whatever we are doing, we'll keep you posted. Okay, very good morning once again. So we are just out of Pelling now, moving towards Yuksom. The distance from here is about 35 kilometers, 34 kilometers to be precise, but according to the locals, the roads are bad, so that should take us somewhere between 1.5 hours to maybe 2 hours, but that is okay. We are in no rush, just looking to enjoy the ride and the views. This is how it looks around here. Dense vegetation all around. This place, not sure what the name of the place is. It's on the way to Yuksom, and this is a waterfall here. So leaving this place now, got a few clicks and moving ahead now. This for you is the Kanchenjunga waterfalls. This is the path. It comes here, here, and right down. So after the stop at the Kanchenjunga waterfalls, we are on our way again towards Yuksom. It is about 15 kilometers from here, and all of it is off roads as per the locals. So let's see how it goes from here. The time now is about 12:45 and it should take us, I don't know, maybe 40-45 minutes. I thought we still had some distance to go, but if we are here, awesome, nothing like it. Yeah, I think we are in Yuksom. Let's ask around. Looks like a nice place. Hey guys, finally reached Yuksom. The bikes are parked here. That's mine. That's Shivajit's. And our stay for the night would be that house, if you can see it. Yeah, that's a homestay, and that's gonna be our stay for the night. That's Shivajit's. And yeah, that's it. So supposedly we should get a good view of Mount Pandim from here. Let's see how it goes. We'll keep you posted. Okay. See you all for now. Bye-bye. So here we are at the Coronation throne in Yuksom. It's a short climb from the homestay that we were in. Here it is, Coronation throne, Norbu gang. So let's get in and see what we have. So here we are. It's nice, peaceful. The weather is pleasant. And this is how it is around me. This place is really nice and peaceful and colorful. And see what I found. In the middle of nowhere, there is a little football field here. This is so nice, and this is what's around it. Beautiful, isn't it?